In this lesson, we will discuss the useful strategy called pointing triples. This strategy is very similar to pointing pairs and is its logical continuation. According to this strategy, if in a 3-8-3 block, you see three identical candidates located on the same line, and there are no other candidates with this number in that block, then there cannot be any more candidates with the current number on that line. To use the pointing triples technique, you need to find a 3-8-3 block that has three identical candidates. Ensure that there are only three of these candidates in the block. Check that these candidates are on the same line. Remove unnecessary candidates in adjacent blocks that are on the same line. If possible, place the large numbers in the cells with hidden single candidates. To better understand this, let's look at an example. We see a regular Sudoku grid at the very beginning of the game. For simplicity, let's consider only the candidates for the number 8 across the entire grid. Pay attention to the fifth 3-8-3 block, where we see three candidates for 8, all located on the same line, highlighted by a red rectangle, and no other candidates for 8 in this block. Therefore, we can use our pointing triples strategy and eliminate the extra candidate 8 from the fourth row, marked with a red cross. As a result, we see that in the fourth block, there is only one cell that can accept the candidate 8, highlighted by a green rectangle. Therefore, we can place the large number 8 in cell R6C1. Want to play Sudoku for free? Visit our website at escapesudoku.com. Enjoy solving. We also recommend watching the following video tutorial, Strategy number 12 for solving Sudoku, X-Wing.